Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I've posted a YouTube video, but I've been spectating, just watching over my views and subscribers and reflected on my videos and myself and basically wanted to take a break from YouTube for a while. In this video today, I'm going to explain to you why and how my decision came about and some new things that have not been shared on YouTube that I think you guys would be willing to hear. So let's get right on to this video. First things first, I'm going to explain to you why I have been gone for so long and haven't uploaded a single video. To start off, I knew in the beginning of the school year that if I did certain things such as cheer and dance team and also schoolwork, that it would affect my schedule of posting throughout the week and also how long I was able to edit. As I started my first year of high school, it became even more nerve-wracking that YouTube would affect my grades. I started to pull away from YouTube and eventually stopped posting. I basically gave up on YouTube. When people asked me, do I still do YouTube, I told them no, not anymore. I was no longer considering myself as a YouTuber. Then my friend Christina, she told me she was going to start vlogging again. I told her that's actually really cool and that it would be really great if I actually had a friend who was also a YouTuber. She kind of convinced me to start YouTube again. So later on that week, it was on a Friday, so I started vlogging. I told myself if I'm actually going to start this back up, I need to be committed and post regularly and on time. I knew I needed to do better and not have this happen again. So here I am explaining to you guys why this happened and how. I wanted to apologize to the people who waited for me to post and commented regularly on my videos. Those comments mean a lot. I didn't want to give up on this side job that I know makes people happy. So I'm dedicated to do this job and make you guys happy. So finally making a change in the way I do YouTube would really help me be consistent. I found days that I know is better for me to upload along with exact times or estimates. And I also have a notebook that I'm using to keep me updated and remind me that I post on Saturdays and Sundays around 4 p.m. So I just wanted to thank you guys so much for being so patient with me and nice. I love you all and keep being my little unique yous. There are also new things, like I said, that I have not posted yet that will be posted very, very soon coming up. One of them is I am making a vlog squad that will be decided very soon, and my mom also owns her own business. It's LTD Trucking by Evelyn Hawes. To wrap up this video, I'll see you guys in next Saturday's and Sunday's video. The rules to qualify to be in the vlog squad will be down in the description below. Only the first 10 will be picked, and also comment any suggestions you have for my next video to get a shout out.